Welcome to my 172 North American P51D Mustang unboxing and reveal. This side, it's usual Airfix warning, just age, bracket and your CE marks. Same box art as what's on the front. The kit is a skill level 1, shows it as a North American P51 Mustang there, and the colours. Get a 1 flying hour on the back. You can see, looks like it's telling you your decal instructions are on the back. There's your officially licensed product thing. Your colours you're going to need, paints, parts and glue are not included as it states there. I'm just wondering if it tells you when it was made. Usually they do. They say usually they do, but I can't have to see it on there. What's that one? It's a copyright marking. Just the customer service. Oh, here we go. 2012. So 10-year-old kit, but it came in a starter set. Not starter set. A mystery box. So let's open her up and see what you get. Right, do the instructions first. Instructions. It also tells you some specifications for range, wingspans, etc. Little bit on English about it. Best results washed before you actually do anything while they're on sprue, it states. And also explains some parts that might not be used. Assembly instructions. Here is instructions on what it says when it's saying like there a question mark, there's a question mark, like that. Cockpit build doesn't look too bad actually. You've got your usual, your propeller build. It's telling you to drill holes obviously, but you have to buy the stand if you want the stand. I don't do that. I just have them stood on wheels. They're either stood on wheels or I do them with the undercarriage up, but I don't buy the stands unless they come with one. There you go. That's again, under here, undercarriage up or down. The usual piloting last. And your cockpit on. The last bit which is your exhausts. And there's a telling you for your decals as well on the back there, but you have got it on the box, so if you want to look at it a bit easier in colour you can. So your instructions. Decals, they look nice. Nice coloured decals there. First off, the feel. Just a little raised edge, you can just feel them. You've got your lollipop, rather than pop. Your instrument decals, they look quite nice. Yeah, they look alright. Yeah, happy with them. And let's open the bag and see what we've got. This knife's not very sharp, not anymore, been used to do a kit. Clear parts, 2 sprues. We'll start with this one first, and you've got a very well moulded kit here. Very well. I can't see any flash on this really. This looks very well. I am impressed. got a lot of detail. That's fantastic. That. I think that's your radiator that goes in the back, and I can even see, I don't know if you can, but I can see even the tiny little vent or squares and that go inside there. Have been done lovely. That is great. On the wheels, they've got the wheels obviously with a flat edge, which is very nice to have because they don't all do it as if there's weight in it. But I can see lots of nice tyre tread marks. And look, there's other stuff that it shows you for inside cockpit. There's a lot here that this for a 172 is fantastic, in my view. Really is. I can even see, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see on the front wheel, you can hear little tiny tread on the tyre on front wheel. That is, you hardly ever get that. That's fantastic, that. Again, this is the Sprue B, and the wings, the detail on wings, beautiful, it really is. Even the pilot, that's detail on pilot there is fantastic. Look at that. That is unbelievable for, like I say, for a 10-year-old kit. I've just done a BF109 unboxing and it doesn't even come close to this. This is just blitzes it out at water, and they're trying to market that off as if it's a newer kit. And look at this. This is beautiful. Well impressed. I'm gobsmacked at how good that is. Right, we'll do the clear parts. And there you go, cockpit. Gun sight, cockpit. That's probably your light, it looks like it. Yeah, very nice. I'll put that back in there, keep it protected. You don't want to scuff these, because if you do, it'll not look so good. But yeah, that's a lovely kit, that. Very impressed. Lovely colour. I like how the red stands well out. It's, yeah. Well, look, there you go. Something simple, quick. Hope you enjoyed that. And subscribe to me. I'll have more reviews and unboxings and tips, trips and builds up soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.